Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of TubeWizard. Is it really worth your time and money, or just another overhyped AI tool? I've personally tested it, explored all the features, the pros, the cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether or not it's the right fit for you. So stick around, you definitely don't want to miss this one. And if you want to know more about the product, or grab any special bonuses, check the link in the description below. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this one. And content gold mines on complete autopilot. Picture this. You're staring at a 2-hour YouTube video that contains exactly the information you need for your next article. But who has 2 hours to watch, take notes, and organize everything into coherent content? That's where TubeWizard changes everything. With just one click, this powerful Chrome extension doesn't just give you a basic summary, it transforms any YouTube video into a complete content package that's ready to use. But here's what makes TubeWizard different. While other tools just spit out basic summaries, TubeWizard is your personal content transformation engine. It doesn't just tell you what the video said, it restructures the content into formats that are ready to use right now. And here's the best part, no monthly fees, ever. Just use your existing ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini account. TubeWizard opens in a new browser tab, so there's no API key needed. You're in complete control. Imagine turning every YouTube video in your research folder into no more. Watch the full demo below. Real users, real results. I used to spend 3 hours creating content from each research video. TubeWizard cuts that down to 5 minutes, and the output is better than what I could write myself. Sarah K., content creator. This tool doesn't just save time, it helps me create better content. The SEO suggestions alone are worth the price. Mike R., digital marketer. Wrapped gift special launch bonuses, worth $9.97 plus. Act fast and you'll receive these game-changing bonuses absolutely free. High voltage ultra limited launch offer, 7 days only. TubeWizard. No. TubeWizard is a one-time purchase. No monthly fees, no subscription, no hidden costs. You get lifetime access with all future updates included. No. TubeWizard works with your existing ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini account by opening in a new browser tab. No API keys or technical setup required. Yes. TubeWizard includes direct WordPress integration. Generate your content and publish it to your WordPress site with one click. TubeWizard works with ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. You can use whichever AI platform you prefer or already have access to. If you can click a Chrome extension button, you can use TubeWizard. It's designed to be incredibly user-friendly and works right out of the box. We offer a 30-day no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, just let us know and we'll refund your purchase. Yes. When you purchase TubeWizard, you get all future updates at no additional cost. We're constantly improving and adding new features. Absolutely. Use TubeWizard for your own content or client projects. There are no restrictions on how you use the generated content. Instantly. After purchase, you'll receive immediate access to download the Chrome extension and start transforming videos into content within minutes. If TubeWizard doesn't revolutionize your content creation process, just let us know within 30 days and we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. Ready to transform your content creation? Click the button below to lock in your $27 lifetime access before the price triples. PS remember, this special $27 price is only available for the next 7 days. After that, the price increases to $47 permanently. Lock in your lifetime access and all 4 bonuses now while you still can. Don't let another video's worth of valuable content slip through your fingers. Join the content creators who are working smarter, not harder, with TubeWizard. Important, if you purchase this product using your own affiliate link, you will not qualify for a refund and will not be allowed to promote our future products. For review copies, affiliates must get in touch beforehand.